He's on my feet. Yeah. You gonna take a nap there? Is that what you're gonna do? Did those big bad cats chase you all night? You guys were running over my head the entire night. Yeah. What you doing? It's a flying squirrel. What colors are you? Oh, this one's a different one. He's all brown. The other one had a lot of white on him. Then the other one was more gray. He's all brown. We'll call you Frankie. How's it going, Frankie? What's new? What's new? Can't get close enough to you. What's up? You look like you're half asleep.